Fit for the night. Something slight. Boy look good. Check the hair, check the hair. She tough. One thing my hairstylist don't never miss. She don't never miss. I gotta get used to the 4 braids, bro. Cause I like 6 braids, but she do 4, so I get used to it. Make my head look like a bean head. New wheels just look so good, bro. I ain't love, man. I be forgetting how crazy my back look too, though. My back look crazy too.
Your karting and games, safety's our #1 priority. When you run the track, there's absolutely no problem. No driving into barriers or forcing the We use a series of
About to do a little bowling. Gotta get the technique, gotta get a technique. And throw these like a regular bowling ball. So fucking hard. I think it's all in the flick of the own finger. Them. Watch the strike here now. No, this is power and fingernail. Watch this here. I've been a strike, you know. It went straight down the middle. That was right down the middle. Yeah, guys, did not hit any strikes. That fucker's hard to hit strikes for them small little bowling balls. You could barely even hold them with your palm. Like. Yeah, the regular bowling balls, your boys, that biscuit, they get weight to it, you know. So you go, you know, adjust so you want it to spin. They get more velocity in it, and you know. Yeah, man. I don't be forgetting I have these until I look up. It'll just be like, wow. Yeah, this fucker look hard. She hard. Yeah, I love it. And the lights in the interior just brings it all together, man. I did a good job, bro. You know? It hit different when you do it yourself, you know? Yeah, man, it hit different. If you fix the way you to think, everything going to flow to you, dog. I swear to you. It's going to take some time. Eventually you'll get it. You know, it's you versus you. You always gotta think of that. It's you versus you, bro. Starts at 9, so it's first come, first serve in the lineup. So that's why I'm trying to get ready. It's currently like 7:20. Hey, hope everybody having a good morning, man. Gotta make the best of every day, dog. So the fit for today. Headed to Caffeine and Octane, so I'll see you guys there. Just made it. Just made it to the meet. She looks nice, guys. Time to go check out the other cars. See what we got going on here. Look at this one here. This here tough. He on box, gotta be on box. It's a GTR. Yeah, this here nasty. I'm gonna see a lot of cars now because I come early. Definitely got a lot more people here since I come early. A little COVID here, 01. A little old school here. What kind of snake that is?
That's a pastel banana ball python.
Python?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
that's
that
a clown face banana ball python.
and they look the same though. Like this one kind of darker though.
Yeah, that one's dark.
Yeah. Look at this here.
All the old Porsche guys.
Need money for Lambo. Telling you. These Porsche tough, man. Yeah, I like this color here. This dark color here. Look nice. Ah, Ferrari. Just crazy, bro. Got the engine and nothing. School right there. Telling you. Oh, they selling it. 40K. Fat little dog. Fat ass dog, man. Dog need to exercise, man. The dog need to exercise. Yeah, a lot of weight. I wonder why my hair is stick up like that. My hair too short? Let me know, guys. Look like a rust paint. The heck look hard. Some red brick calipers too. Yeah, that's a nice interior, nice too. Yeah, she tough, guys. Forgiatos. Interior nice. Lambo here. I like this color here. This here tough. Look at the wheels. Them is Lamborghini wheels or just the caps? I don't know. But she tough. Yeah, this gray hair hard. Is that wrap? Oh, that's paint. Yeah, that's paint. Yeah, this color here tough. They get everything lined up perfectly now. The boat, I ain't seen the boat. I ain't see the boat today. GTR. Over there. Yeah, I like this color here. I ain't know what kind of color this is. That's paint too. Yeah, that's paint. I don't know, something about dark colors I like too. I like this hair too. This color hair tough. Nice, nice, nice. Definitely nice. It's an NX6. This fucking tough, bro. No cap, she nasty. On the floor, dog. Nasty, she on bags. Yeah, this hair look clean, dog. On the floor, man. That shit look hard. Nah, your fitment is perfect, dog. A little Honda SI. Look at this one here, guys. You get a color to match. Yeah, man, she tough. Yeah, my interior nice. Everything look nice. I don't know what flag that is. I don't know what flag that is. Man, get a skeleton in here, ass. Volkswagen. You good? Jetta 300. Look at this. This could go on a highway. This yours? This could go on a highway? No, it can't go. This is crazy. I thought there were one wheel. It's 3 wheels. It's 4 wheels. It's 4 wheels. Yeah, it's 4. Look on the bottom. Yeah, that shit is crazy.
Dude, it looks crazy.
Yes. Yeah, it's so nasty.
You know where like I live.
Damn. What the hell I to do? Who knows? Yeah, man, she nasty. It's the back. What the fuck is that? I gotta ask him. Excuse me, this yours? Yeah, this is nice, bro. Like, what are those clear things on the front? The pointy things?
The champagne glasses.
Oh, they're just for style.
That's something I made.
They look nice. They look.
Be different than the picture.
Okay. Yeah, she look nice, man.
They were from New Year's Eve. We went to that party. Which one?
Guys, I don't know if you could see this, like how this color is, but it's vibrant, really bad. Really vibrant. I don't really like bright colors, but this hair look tough. Yeah, man, she tough. Oh my gosh. Salamagiri, yeah, this hair tough. That's paint too, or that's rap? Oh, that's a rap. Yeah, that's a rap. Daddy, yeah, daddy nasty. They probably took a minute to wrap this too. Yeah. Damn, look at the wheels and shit.
Let you know connection.
Telling you. It's like so close to the brakes too. The bio rev, I don't know what I say. What you saying?
Hey bro, I just want to play the pretty fire.
Hey, give thanks, dog, give thanks. Yeah, man.
Hey, when life gets tough, don't trip, just enjoy the journey. You know shit's gonna get better, bro. I
Oh
love
yeah,
you, bro.
oh you know that?
Be safe,
You know
bro.
that? Love
For
alone,
sure.
love alone. Yeah, man. Yeah, these hair nice. Hey, she tough, guys. She tough.
That's it.
I think I like it without the wing too. Like it just gives it a nice, yeah. Yeah, you don't even need a wing. Yeah, this hair nice. Look at the interior, guys. Clean, just clean, bro. So nice, bro. This is nice, man. Nice. Oh yeah. Got old rusty, dusty hair. Yeah, man, that's tough, guys. I in love with the wheels, man. I'm so in love with the wheels. Then the interior looks nice. Just love the interior, man. Everything looks nice, man. Come together so good, guys. Boys riding dirty. They're riding dirty today.